Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the HAYLOU Watch S8 smartwatch. This smartwatch is packed with features that will take your health and fitness to the next level, and it's perfect for men who want to stay on top of their game. First off, let's talk about the stunning 1.96 AMOLED curved screen. This display is not only visually impressive, but it also supports two always-on modes and has a high refresh rate of 60 Hz, ensuring a smooth and crisp user experience. When it comes to health monitoring, this smartwatch has got you covered. From heart rate and sleep monitoring to calorie, blood oxygen, and blood pressure monitoring, it's like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. Plus, it even has female menstrual cycle monitoring for the ladies out there. But that's not all. The HAYLOU Watch S8 also boasts over 100 workout modes, so no matter what your fitness routine looks like, this smartwatch has got a mode for you. And with 3 ATM waterproofing, you can take it swimming, and not have to worry about it getting damaged. Staying connected and organized is easy with the HAYLOU Watch S8. It has Bluetooth call capabilities, a voice assistant, and daily smart reminders to keep you on track. Plus, with 100+ online watch faces and the option to customize your own, you can personalize your smartwatch to match your style. In terms of specs, the HAYLOU Watch S8 is lightweight, has a long battery life, up to 20 days, and is packed with sensors to track your every move. So if you're ready to take your health and fitness to the next level, be sure to check out the HAYLOU Watch S8 smartwatch. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out on getting your hands on this incredible smartwatch. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and join the community for more reviews and recommendations just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.